Somewhere between your car and the front door, you crossed one. A small ramp cut into the edge of the sidewalk. You didn't slow down. You didn't think about it. Your wheels or your stroller or your feet just rolled. That's the design working exactly as intended. Here's the part nobody tells you. It exists because a group of people fought a city that told them no. Berkeley, California, late 1960s. A group of wheelchair users at UC Berkeley called themselves the Rolling Quads. Their campus was accessible. Their city was not. Every curb was a wall. Every intersection meant waiting for a stranger to lift you across. They asked the city for ramps. The city said no. So one night, the Rolling Quads did something simpler. They poured the concrete themselves. Illegal. Unauthorized. One corner at a time. It wasn't the first curb cut ever built. Kalamazoo, Michigan poured a few back in 1945 for veterans coming home in wheelchairs. But Berkeley turned it into a movement. By 1990, the Americans with Disabilities Act made it federal law. Every corner in the country required to bend down and meet the street. Now, stand at any curb cut in America and count who rolls across it. Most of them are not wheelchair users. It's a mother pushing a stroller, a courier hauling a hand truck stacked with boxes, a traveler dragging a suitcase through an airport curb, a kid on a bike who never once looked down. The ramp built for the few quietly became the ramp used by almost everyone. This isn't a one-time accident. It has a name now, the curb cut effect. Captions were built for deaf viewers. Now, most videos on your phone get watched on mute, in bed, at 1 a.m. Sound off, captions on. The kitchen tool with the fat rubber grip was designed for hands with arthritis. Now, it's just the good one, the one everyone reaches for. Audiobooks were a lifeline for blind readers, decades before they were a commute companion for everyone else. Every one of these was designed at the edge, for the person the world was least willing to accommodate. And every one of them ended up in the center, used by people who never asked for it, never noticed it, never once said thank you. Here's the part that should stop you. We keep treating disabled people's needs like a cost, a late addition, a line item to cut when things get tight. But look at the record. The ramp, the caption, the audiobook, the grip. Disabled people were never the edge case. They were the preview. The first draft of a problem the rest of us hadn't felt yet, won't feel yet, until we're older or hurt or carrying something heavy in the rain. The Rolling Quads didn't build a ramp for wheelchairs. They built the blueprint for how good design should have worked the whole time. Quietly, for everyone, starting with whoever needed it most. Next time you cross one without noticing, that's not the design disappearing. That's the design finally working.